Hello everyone, this is Sundus Firdaus. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about advanced data type. If you are learning Python after basic data types, the next important topic is advanced data types. In this video, we will understand list, tuple, set and dictionary in a simple way. Let's first talk about list. What is list? A list is a collection where we can store multiple values. Let's see through the coding all the points one by one. We write the list inside the square bracket. So we can store multiple values. Okay, so first point we covered. Now move on to next point. We can store multiple data types. What does that mean? Let's see. Now if I write my name, so it's a text. It is of string data type. Now if I want to store some decimal number like 40.3, it is of float data type. Now I want to have something true and false. For example, false. So it is of Boolean data type. So here we stored int data type, string data type, float data type, and Boolean data type. Now I want to print it. Let's see. So here we got our output. Now let's cover the third point. That is, lists are ordered and mutable, meaning we can change values. Let's understand with the help of the code. Okay, so my list is already there. Okay, now at the index 0, I want to change the value. I want it to be, for example, 100. So now I will print it. Okay. Okay. Now let me remove the result and run the code. So here, as you can see, this is my first result. This one, my actual list. Now it got mutated. In place of 10, it is 100 now. Second is tuple. A tuple is a collection where we can store multiple values. Let's understand with the help of the code. So let's start. Okay, so in list we use square bracket. Here we will use brackets. Inside it we will write the multiple values. Now it is heterogeneous. We can store multiple data types. So here let me write this again. 40.2 true. Okay, now I want to print it. My tuple. Let's run the code. Here I got my answer. This is the tuple. Now we cannot change the value of a tuple. So let's understand it by the code. For example, just like the list, we will here write I want to change 0. Let's say equal to 100 and print it. Let's do it. So this is what we got, an error. so it will not get mutate. So tuple is immutable. You can write it. It is immutable. Now this will give an error because tuple is mutable. Third is set. A set is a collection where we can store multiple values. It can have multiple data type. It is heterogeneous. A set is unordered, meaning indexing is not supported. A set is mutable, so we can add or remove values. Set does not allow duplicate values. Let's understand it with the help of the code. We use curly braces in the set. So inside that we will write our values. So here I use int data type, string data type, float, and boolean data type. So these 2 points are covered. Now let's move on to third point, that is a set is unordered, meaning indexing is not supported. By that means if I want to print set if I want to print my set 0, let me print this also, so we will get the output. Okay, I set okay. Okay, so here is the set. It's my output. As you can see here, the order will not the same. Indexing will get changed. Okay. As you can see, set is unordered, meaning indexing is not supported. So unordered, if I print my set, so it is unordered. As you can see here, and here indexing is not supported. So I got an error, type error. Okay, so let me write the error, indexing not allowed. Okay, indexing not allowed. It will throw an error. It will throw an error. The next point is a set is mutable, so we can add or remove values. Let's understand it by the help of the code. I'm using add function to add 100. So let's see what it will do. It will give it gives me 100. So it is unordered, mutable. We can add the value, and if we want to remove the value, so we did it like this. As you can see here, 20 got removed. Now it does not allow duplicate values. If I add something like 10, 10, 20, 20, let's see what it will give. And underscore. See, 10 only appear only once, 20 appear only once. As you can see here, multiple duplicate values. So fourth one is fourth one is dictionary. Dictionary is the collection of key value pair. Key must be unique. We can access value using keys. Dictionary is ordered. Let's understand it with the help of the code. Let's create a dictionary. So here name is key and its value is, for example, Sundus. Now marks 91.5 and is a student. So it is true. Now print the dictionary. As you can see, it is ordered and it printed out as a key value pair. Now what is okay, key must be unique. Let me try to duplicate this. Copy V. Let me write some other name. Mike. Now let's see the output. As you can see, previously it was Sundas. Now it is Mike. It got replaced with the latest value. So key must be unique. Now next point is we can access value by using key. What does that mean? For example, I want to access marks. So I'm here using marks and let's see what output I will get. 91.5. 91.5. Okay. So and the last point is dictionary is ordered. As we already see, it is an ordered. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Python tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.